In today's video, I'm going to show you how to schedule messages on Telegram. This is a super useful feature if you want to send birthday wishes at midnight, remind someone at a specific time, or just organize your messages to go out when they're most likely to be seen. Whether you're using Telegram for personal chats or managing a group, scheduling messages can save you time and help you stay organized. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. You can do this on your phone, tablet, or even on Telegram desktop. The scheduling feature works across all platforms. Once Telegram is open, navigate to the chat where you want to send a scheduled message. This can be a personal chat with a friend, a group chat, or even your saved messages if you want to remind yourself about something. Now, type your message in the message field at the bottom of the screen. Write whatever you want to send, whether it's text, a photo, a video, or any other type of content. Once your message is ready, here's where the scheduling comes in. Instead of just tapping or clicking the send button, you need to access the scheduling option. On mobile, long press the send button. On desktop, right-click the send button or click the small arrow icon that appears next to it. A menu will pop up with the option Schedule Message. Tap or click on Schedule Message to proceed. Now you'll see a calendar and time picker. This is where you set exactly when you want your message to be sent. Scroll through the calendar to select the date you want. Then adjust the time using the hour and minute selectors. Telegram even offers quick options like send tomorrow or send tonight if you want to save time. Once you've set your desired date and time, review it to make sure everything looks correct. When you're ready, tap or click confirm or schedule. Your message is now scheduled and will be sent automatically at the time you chose. You'll see a small clock icon next to the message in your chat, indicating it's scheduled and hasn't been sent yet. If you need to edit or cancel the scheduled message before it sends, simply tap on the message and you'll have the option to reschedule or delete it. And that's it. You've successfully scheduled a message on Telegram. This feature is perfect for staying on top of your communication without having to remember to send things manually. If this video was helpful, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more Telegram tips and tricks.